Hey, guys, what's up? It's your girl Georgette, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to me, welcome. It's awesome having you visiting for the first time. So, a little bit about my channel is that if you go through the videos, you'll see that my channel is all about inspiring you and motivating you. Yes, let's empower ourselves and grow, and let's improve self worth and our net worth. Yes, our money as well. And as you can see today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online with no skills. You just need a laptop. Yes, that's it. And I'm talking to you from experience. As you can see, this video doesn't have any screens popping up and showing you anything because I am truly, still learning, but I've come so far. And so I know that as the year is drawing to an end, it's now December. Wow, 2020. Who thought we would have gotten here with all what's going on, the pandemic and everything else? But as the year is coming to an end, I know that it's coming closer to approaching a new year. And persons may be setting New Year's resolution. I'd say to you, stay away from doing that this year. What I would say to you is because the brain is programmed from habits, what you do daily, not what you write in a book one day and say that's my New Year's resolution for 2021. It's not what you do one day. It's what you do every day and make a habit. So if you write in a book, oh, my New Year's resolution for 2021 is to lose weight, and then you never look at that again, that's not how you accomplish goals. No. So let's talk about how to really make money online without any skills. And you're talking to someone that is proof that I make money daily and not tech savvy. So you just need your laptop, right? And you need to have a couple dollars to invest in yourself. Yes, you must. And so I'm just gonna give you a little piece of what it's all about. But I'm gonna leave the link that really guides you through for free. It's a free training. You will get all the information in the link that I'm gonna leave for you, and you don't have to pay for that. She will guide you through. That's my mentor, Ariella. And you can look her up, you can research her, because when you're about to invest in yourself, you have to research. Ariella Iorio, and she's verified on Facebook and she's verified on Instagram. They don't verify scammers. My mentor, Wesley Virgin, who has given her the principles of becoming a millionaire, they're together. And Wesley Virgin is also verified on Facebook and on Instagram. And you can check out all his videos, 1,000 plus videos, almost 2,000 videos on YouTube. And so that's how you really research someone to find out if that's the right fit for you. But affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and research. Affiliate marketing is one of the top ways to make money online. That's really simple. Affiliate marketing is where you go to the marketplace and you find yourself a product that you promote. For us, we promote the number one product. And then my mentor, he just came out with a new product that's on fire, and we are promoting that online. And through online, you can reach billions of people on Facebook. YouTube is one of the also top ways of promoting. You have TikTok, you have Instagram, you have Twitter. You have so many ways. And so I love affiliate marketing for that very purpose. I'd be upstairs working in my room in my PJs. It's really nice working from home on your laptop, making money daily. Hear those sales coming in, yeah? And so if you're ready to make a change in your life as 2021 is approaching, everybody has a New Year's resolution. And one of them is you should want to make more money, because money is not everything. But the things that you desire needs money to buy it. I think, who was it who said that? So money's not everything, but it's right up there next to oxygen. I think Zig Ziglar has that quote. Money ain't everything. but it's right up there next to oxygen. So we all want to make more money. And as the year is ending, we all should want to do better for ourselves and our family. It's getting dark. I plan to go jogging. So guys, the Done For You service is the program that I'm going to leave the link for you to get that free training. And just as it says, it is done for you. They literally hold your hand and walk you through step by step. If you don't know anything about the internet, no worries. They will walk you through. Okay? Just have your laptop, have a couple dollars to invest in yourself, and let's get started. It's not going to be much longer, but if you don't know what a domain is, they explain all of that to you. If you don't know what a website is, they will explain all of that to you. If you don't know what a funnel is, they will explain. They will set you up and have you ready to go to promote and to make money. Okay? And so the link below will give you in-depth information. So be willing and open to learn. Go through the guide. She's gonna tell you everything. We also have a Zoom meeting every Tuesday. Once you come on board with us and you join this program, we have a free Zoom meeting every Tuesday with Wesley Virgin and Ariella. Wesley Virgin comes on not every Tuesday, but Ariella, she guides us. And any questions, she has her tech guys right there. They will give you a call and speak to you. Any question at all. I promise you, if you know nothing about making money online, this is the easiest route. For me, when I tell you that I am still in the process of learning the techie stuff, but oh, how I have grown and learned so much about making money online. And you will too. This program simplifies it for you. You'll be like, oh my gosh, is it that simple to make money online? Really? Wow. I am telling you, because I'm still learning, okay? I don't have all the techie stuff. You don't see screens popping off and I'm showing you things on the screen. No, I'm just sitting here talking to you and being real, letting you know as the year ends, do not let the year end and don't have a plan for 2021. Without a vision, people perish. If you don't have a plan and write it down and make it plain, then you don't have a goal. What are you going for in 2021? Wouldn't you like to do better for your family? So if you have a laptop and you're ready to go, then let's go. Let's get motivated. Let's get dedicated. And let's start to make money online. Okay, so in the link below, it's a guide. And she's going to walk you through, tell you what everything is. Like I just said to you, what a website is, what a funnel is, get a domain, and all of the things that you need to know. She would for free. She's going to tell you all of that for free. And then you can make the decision if it sounds like a fit for you. If you have no skills and you believe that you can go for it and try, because you have to step out of your comfort zone. The brain doesn't want us to step out of our comfort zone. It wants us to stay comfortable, but that's where you don't grow. If you're comfortable, you're not growing. Sorry to tell you, you're not growing. When you grow, anytime you feel uneasy, and that's how I measure my growth. If I'm about to do something and I feel really, really nervous, I say, okay, Georgia, you're being stretched and you're growing. So let's make some money in 2021. Let's learn, be willing and open to learn more and to do more for ourselves and our family. That's the only way you can grow and make a better life for yourself. So if you're a newbie, if you don't know how to make money online, if you have a laptop, then the link below, you want to click that and you want to learn how to, for free, a free training in the link below. Okay, guys, it's your girl Georgette. As always, please subscribe. If you haven't, leave me a thumbs up. And if you're willing to take a chance to learn more, to step away from fear, and to jump into 2021 head on, ready to make money and to change your life, then this is the place for you. This channel is the place for you. The link below you want to click. Okay, so leave a comment for your girl. Let's go. Let's make some money. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. I'm going to leave some videos popping up. You want to continue watching? Yes, I have a lot of goodies on my channel. Keep watching, guys. I'm sending you so much love and light. Bye-bye.